Hello and welcome to PETAA. Your membership is your connection to a thriving community of educators who are dedicated to providing a meaningful English and literacies education for all students, and a great source of readings, materials and resources as you move through your teacher education and beyond. We're so thankful for your support. Members like you make it possible for us to create all the resources and materials you're about to discover. Here are tips and tricks to get you started in making the most of your PETAA membership. Confirming your details. To check your profile is up to date and accurate, please log in and click the avatar at the top right corner where it says Hi. Your profile contains the information we need to keep you in the loop about resources, events and more that are most suitable to you. The little grey pencil icon here shows what you can edit or update. Make sure you pop in your expected graduation date and please check your student number is correct. When you scroll down, you can see the Change Your Password section. Here's where you can establish a secure password if you need it. Lastly, if you scroll back up, you can look at My Invoices for outstanding invoices or past invoices. Teaching resources. PETAA's teaching resources span the range from academically informed reference documents to classroom-ready guides and units. Make sure you explore our back catalogue of PETAA papers. These are practical case study articles that connect research and practice and help define and explain terms you'll encounter in your assigned texts. While you're in this section of the website, you can also catch up on webinars from past live sessions by watching them on demand whenever it suits you. Our webinars are designed to share top tips and insights in an easy way. They often contain great examples from classrooms, giving you an invaluable look at current best practice. Some of our webinars are specifically designed for beginning teachers, so keep an eye out for those. They distill concepts succinctly for teachers who are new to the profession and might be useful for you as you study. Lastly, our extensive collection of teaching units are a great way to get yourself acquainted with quality contemporary children's literature. The units are written to support classroom lessons of English and literacies and range across all primary year groups and learning stages. Meet your new reading list. Publications. PETAA's reference texts are critically acclaimed, award-winning titles aimed at transforming teaching practice for improved student outcomes. You would have already picked out the free books for your student membership gift, and you will receive the 3 books and papers we publish every year in our digital member packs. But why not explore the PETAA catalogue? As a member, you receive at least a 35% discount on every single title, and many of these will be used in your classes as assigned texts, or will be fantastic additional reading and sources for assessment. If you're looking for those 3 ebooks you requested as your member gift, check your email. You should have been sent a link to download them. If you haven't, or if you are having trouble downloading them, please reach out to us at 1300 307 382. Professional learning. You might also be interested in professional learning. Our calendar is jam-packed with a range of courses that dive deep into practical aspects of English and literacies. Courses are taught and developed by leading education professionals, researchers and educators, and will help you to start learning classroom-ready approaches and insights that will help make your transition to the classroom smoother and easier. Search the listings or contact us for more information. You especially won't want to miss out on our annual conferences. Within our Professional Learning tab, you'll also find our list of upcoming webinars. You can sign on to attend live or be the first to receive the on-demand recordings. The best part? They're free. Sneak peek. It's an exciting time to be a PETAA student member, as we're very close to launching a brand new project. The PETA Literacy Resource Portal for Early Career Teachers is your guide to best practice English, language and literacies teaching. You'll find guides, definitions, case studies, videos illustrating classroom practice, and more. It's designed to be the page you go to first when you start a new programming block or encounter a new concept in your university journey. Plus, PETA student members will have exclusive access to the Literacy Resource Portal community, in which you can connect with other early career teachers to share stories and experiences and exchange tried and tested classroom strategies. I hope that this has helped you become more familiar with the resources you're now entitled to as a PETA student member. We are so excited to have you on board, and we are always here to help you find the support you might need as you go through your study and move into the classroom. Have a look around the website, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at info@petaa.edu.au or give us a call on 1300 307 382.